Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Friday, March the 12th, 2010. Well, a small red body candle today, and a very small red body, so that's telling us that the sellers made some net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. It was a very small amount of net bearish progress, however. The market continues in a first time frame uptrend. And that's a candle with a higher high and a higher low, and the market is now interacting with this 1150 region of resistance that we identified previously. We can see here on 3 occasions that resistance was tested, and yesterday the resistance was tested, and today the market has once again failed to close above that resistance. It's tested that area, and the sellers have come in and closed the market just below that area. Now this is a spinning top type candle where we have a small body with a shadow on either end, and that denotes indecision in this market, and it's indecisive because of the very small size of the body of the candle, and the shadows represent downside price rejection and upside price rejection on the bottom. So having said that this is an indecisive candle, it means that neither the bulls nor the bears are showing any strength at the moment. Now we can see that that's quite a change of character for this market. We can see that the first time frame uptrend that this market's been in for a couple of weeks, there's been very few red-bodied candles. There was only really one, and then a doji type candle, which is a candle with no body, and both of those raised some doubt about the ability of the trend to continue, but it failed to turn the trend around to the downside. Here today we have a slightly larger red-bodied candle than we've seen for quite some time, so that may be a warning that there could be a potential change of trend. So obviously the market has interacted with this zone of resistance, and there is potential for a sell-off. Now if the market does come off, then obviously the first level of support is at the Tenkan-sen, which is the green line, which represents a trend in the fast time frame, and we can see that that's been pointing up sharply, reflecting the strong upside momentum in this market. That area coincides with the previous area of support, and very strong support, at 1133, and it was also a previous area of resistance, so we could potentially see support in that area if the market does come off. Now the market is trading a long way above the cloud, or the Kumo, so the market is overall bullish, and the market remains above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, which means that the market is bullish in the medium term and short term time frames. Just looking at the Chiku span, which is this line here, which is simply the closing price today represented 26 periods ago, and we compare that to where the market was trading at that point in time. So basically all we're doing is comparing the closing price today to the closing price 26 periods ago, and the market is above that, so that adds to the bullishness in this market. So quite a bullish market, although it is starting to look a little bit overextended, and we should be looking for potential support around the 1130 region, potential support roughly about the 1110, and potential support at the Kijun-sen around the 1098 region. To the upside, well, that 1163 area remains as an area of potential resistance for this market. The market will need a solid bullish close up above this 1150 region for the market to have enough strength to trade up to around that 1163 region. So we do need to keep an eye on the 1150 region over the next few days, but also on the low of the current candle for any potential short-term downtrend that may begin in this market.